Hi there, Cody Hadley, Regional Sales Manager of EverLast Lighting, sitting in our R&D lab, here to demonstrate and show you why our optics separate us from the rest of the manufacturers in our industry. EverLast for a while has positioned themselves as providing a product that is customizable across all platforms, whether it be interior, exterior, you name it. We can customize our product for you and for the customer so that we can win every project that is put our way. Today I want to shed light on specifically the optics that come with our interior high bays and what we have to offer and the benefits that come with each one of those options. Typically, you would see something similar to this. It's a clear, flat glass lens that comes standard on our unit as well as many other units in the industry. What separates us from the rest of the industry is our ability to pivot away from this fragile glare bomb of an optic. We have the polycarbonate frosted bubble optic that enhances durability as well as diffuses glare and slightly widens distribution. And you may ask, why is that important? Let me tell you why that's important. There's certain applications where a glass lens cannot be used. Whether it's a natatorium application, perhaps we're installing high bays over a pool. Maybe there's some concern with installing our glass lens on a high bay in a gymnasium application. As we know, there are plenty of applications where flying projectiles or simple concerns of falling glass would scare us. Because as we know, glass itself is very fragile. Allow me to demonstrate. As you can see, there are concerns that come along with using a glass optic in your LED high bays. Mind you, not all your high bays will be put in an area where they happen to be hit with a hammer. That said, we all know that there are instances where flying objects may encounter your LED high bay. But when you have a glass lens exposed, simply there are concerns that we are ready to solve. EverLast Frosted Polycarbonate Over Optic is one of the most durable over optics on the market. Not only does it help you diffuse glare and slightly widen your distribution, but it also maintains properties that allow this to withstand almost virtually any impact that could encounter your LED high bay. Again, allow me to demonstrate. As you can see, EverLast Polycarbonate Frosted Over Optic is so durable that it removes all concerns of having any exposure of fallen shards of glass, polycarbonate, or acrylic. This optic truly can take a beating. And as you can see, when it's installed on our LED high bay, it's nothing that sticks out like a sore thumb. Everything blends in seamlessly. It's held in place very tightly using 8 M12 screws in our LED ring that keep it fastened in IP65 rated. This optic truly removes all concern, whether it be natatorium ratings or gymnasiums or any application therefore you can think of where falling shards of glass is a concern. And to piggyback on that, I'd like to show you our frosted polycarbonate uplight cone. Simply made from the same material, just as durable, this provides benefits outside of durability. This can be combined with any wattage of our HL17B offering and paired with any one of our acrylic or polycarbonate reflectors, both frosted or clear. Using this option, we simply promote an additional 8 to 10% uplight in combination with reflector options, let's say like our ACF 16 or a simple 16-inch clear acrylic reflector, taking what was 10 to 15% uplight all the way up to 20 to 25% uplight. And in some of those applications where uplight is very important, that could be very low what wins you the deal. This is just a few of the things that EverLast has at our disposal to use on our fixtures to help you win the projects when they're presented to you. Please feel free to reach out to your regional sales manager at any time so we can help show you how we'll customize our fixtures to win that project for you. Thank you for your time. I look forward to speaking.